Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to promote Eventbrite Event. So what you can do, you can create your own Eventbrite ad campaign. So what you're going to have to do is to simply go to marketing tools, then select Eventbrite ads, and then simply select create an Eventbrite ad. Then you're going to have to simply select your event and then simply choose an objective. So you have to increase awareness or drive traffic. And then you're going to have to simply build your ad. So as you can see, you can add the daily budget. You can target the allocations. As you can see, by default, your ad campaign will target impression up to 50 miles. And you can increase this if you want. Then you can basically add your own designs, so your own flyers or whatever. And then you can simply preview your ad. And then you're going to have to enter your payment method. And after that, you're going to have to simply launch your campaign. And that's all you have to do. So this is how you can promote an Eventbrite event. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.